multi-point lock is a type of locking mechanism commonly used for exterior doors, especially in residential and commercial applications. Unlike traditional door locks that have a single locking point of engagement, a multi-point lock has multiple locking points, creating a much more secure system. As you can see, a multi-point lock system includes 3 or sometimes 4 locking points that engage simultaneously when the door is locked. We will demonstrate how locking and unlocking works. To lock, simply close the door and the latches will extend to become additional deadbolts. Turn the key or knob on interior towards the jamb and the door is secure. To unlock, simply turn knob or key away from the jamb and press the lever down to disengage the locking points. For the care and maintenance of your multi-point lock system, you need a lint-free cloth, water, mild soap, protective gloves, and resin-free lubricant. To prevent buildup of surface contaminants, possibly resulting in hardware surface deterioration and in some cases appearance of rust, we recommend wiping down with a soft cloth on all visible surfaces with warm water and mild soap. To ensure smooth operation of the lock over a long period of time, it is necessary to lubricate all movable parts and locking points using acid and resin-free lubricants such as silicone spray. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how your multi-point lock system functions and how to perform regular maintenance, ensuring efficient operation on your MASTERGRAIN fiberglass exterior door.